In today's era, I would like to demonstrate how to report someone on Discord. First, you need to open any web browser. After that, in the address bar, type discord.support.com. After typing this, then press the Enter button. As soon as you press it, a new layout will appear before you. Once it opens, you'll see a button at the top named Submit a Request. Click on it. After a moment, a new layout will open up. After opening, on this new layout, you will see a button that you just need to click on. Then, various options will appear in front of you, asking what kind of support you need. For instance, I'm choosing Help and Support. After selecting, more options will appear. Here, they will ask for your email address, which you should enter. Once you provide your email address, below the Type of Question section, click on that bar. You can select any question from here. Then selecting the question, they will inquire about the subject of your request. Just write the subject of your problem in the subject section. You should write about your problem in detail. Once you've described the details, then click on this button called Add File of your problem. You can use screenshot of your problem to specify the problem. After selecting the file, there will be a Submit button below. Just click on that button. Your request will then be sent to the Discord support team. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.